When I come out there, and me have to go out there, go do that.
Are you proud of that?
Never said that.
Thanks for your time.
So I've
Now, you pay for your crime. And then after that, you decide where you want to move forward.
I see you went and got all dolled up.
Pops, you know me. The only thing that really makes me feel better is doing my hair or doing my nails or, having quality time with you.
Flattery will get you anywhere. And a glass of red wine.
I hope you weren't too hard on the juniors. Because, Tonya she did a good job. She tried to cover all our bases.
You mean, great job up until when she forgot to put a contingency plan in place? And you know how these things are. You can learn by trial and error. But sometimes by the time you finish the trial, there's no room for error.
Yeah, that's true. But this really rests heavy on our shoulder.
She not feel weight yet. She should feel some form of trouble because it shows that she's growing. But I don't want people die while she grows.
I understand, Pops. How is Roberta doing?
Much better than people first anticipated. But that's between you and I. I want them to fret a little.
You are unbelievable. You told him that he's in critical condition, that's true.
Next to death's door.
Oh God, Pops. And the same thing they used to do with Weed,
Worked though, didn't it? Had you guys sneaking around looking for heart monitors and IV drips and pressure bandages? By the time I could have made all of your doctors.
Well, I'm just happy it's not worse than what it is. Put it this way. She's learned a very, very valuable lesson.
Not half as valuable as the lesson Hittis and company are about to learn.
What's the verdict with them?
Well, our two juniors suggested that a little incarcerated time wouldn't hurt anybody. I hear that we can send Vicious to Olympics if we can run. But we look at it and say the best way to handle this. I have problems of my own.
What is that?
Got a phone call from Cynthia. Says she wishes to see me. So I really don't know if she heard about this. Or this is Miranda at work. Whichever way, I'm going to have to face this thing head on.
Pops, I hope you don't mind, but I asked Celine to keep her eye on her.
Yeah. Come to think of it, that should be an interesting encounter.
So, tell me, you left Whisper and Tony and to conduct the interrogation by themselves? With the two guys?
Yes, I did.
But you've never done that with us before.
You guys never showed the need to learn the lessons that they need to. Plus, they're showing growth. And having created the mess, it's only fair that I'm cleaning up.
Agreed.
It's another thing that bothers me. Ratliff seems to have gone underground. So I need to find out if he's popping in and out of Jen. And what are his thought processes?
Alright, Pops. That means I need to pay Jen a visit.
You sure you're up to that? Remember you have a couple days off in use it.
Pops, I don't want to stay home. You know I love to be in the field. You know I love to be active. So, yes, I have time off, but I can't do my hair and nails every day. So, I'll just take another day and just jump right into it.
Okay, if you say so, but no pressure. But get on it as quickly as you possibly can. I have to release King.
Oh, shit. Yes. Alright, I'll jump on it ASAP.
In the meantime, I'm going to have to prepare for what may be coming between Tony and Carlton. All the while trying to keep Ratliff in my sights.
Wow. Pops, that's a lot. But you know, as good an agency as we are, we got it covered.
I'm sure you guys will get it done.
Of course. With your leadership, we'll always get it done.
Funny you should say that. I've been thinking that maybe we need new leadership.
Wait, hold on. What do you mean by that, Pops?
Do you know that old saying? And the moving pen, having written, writes on.
No, I'm not getting what you're saying, Pops.
Whisper and Tony are coming along beautifully. They're growing by leaps and bounds. And you're beyond all expectations. I'm almost certain that we will not miss a beat. So, here's to those that wish us well. And those who don't can go to hell. Champagne for real friends and real pain for sharp.